Hey there, it's time to reset your 2025 and achieve your financial goals. That's right. 2025 is your year to take control, break through, and make progress toward the financial freedom you've been dreaming about. Today, we're diving deep into strategies that'll not only help you set your goals, but actually crush them. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Part 1. Why resetting is key. Let's be real. Life gets messy. Maybe 2024 didn't go as planned, and that's okay. But here's the thing. 2025 is a clean slate. Right now, you have the power to hit that magical reset button and completely rewrite your story.
Before we continue to the video, like this video and also share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informational financial content like this.
Imagine looking back in 12 months and thinking, wow, I actually did it. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Take a moment to ask yourself, what does financial success look like for me? Is it finally saving up for that dream vacation, paying off debts, building an emergency fund? Whatever it is, keep that image crystal clear in your mind. Part 2. The foundation. Setting smart goals. Now let's talk about setting goals. Not just any goals, SMART goals. Here's the breakdown. Make your goal as clear as possible. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $5,000 by December 31st, 2025. Track your progress. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a good old notebook. Be realistic. Don't aim to save $1 million if your income doesn't support that. Tie your goal to your bigger life plans. Give yourself a deadline. It creates urgency and focus. Let's do a quick exercise. Think of one financial goal right now. Got it? Great. Now make it SMART. Got it? Awesome. Let's move on. Part 3. Mindset is everything. Here's the truth. Your mindset will either make or break your financial goals. You've probably heard this before, but let me tell you why it matters. If you're constantly telling yourself, I can't do this, guess what? You're right. But if you flip the script and say, I've got this, you'll find solutions instead of excuses. Replace I'm broke with I'm building my wealth. Trust me, your brain listens to what you tell it. Part 4. The action plan. All right, let's talk about execution. You've set your SMART goals and built the right mindset. Now it's time to act. Here's a simple 4-step financial action plan for 2025. Track your income and expenses. If you don't know where your money's going, you're flying blind. Think of your budget as a plan for your money. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, and a little fun. You've got to enjoy life too, right? Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. It's like paying yourself first. Invest in yourself. Take a course, learn a skill, or start that side hustle. Your earning potential is limitless when you invest in you. Pro tip, start small. Even if you save $50 a month, it adds up. Part 5. Overcoming setbacks. Let's be honest, setbacks will happen. Maybe you'll overspend on a vacation or have an unexpected car repair. It's life. But here's the thing. Don't let one setback derail your entire plan. Adjust, adapt, and keep going. A quick tip, build a mini emergency fund. Even $1,000 can save you from spiraling into debt. Part 6. Accountability and communities. Find a buddy, join an online group, or even hire a coach. When you're accountable to someone, you're far more likely to stay on track. Share your goals with someone who will cheer you on. It makes the journey less lonely and way more fun. Resetting your 2025 isn't just about money. It's about freedom, confidence, and building the life you deserve. Remember, set SMART goals, keep your mindset strong, take consistent action, celebrate every win, no matter how small. You've got this. Your financial success is waiting, and there's no better time to start than right now. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend or leave a comment. I'd love to hear about your 2025 goals.